Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. Pakistan announces to observe Palestine Day on May 14th. Prime Minister's Special Representative on Religious Harmony Tahir Ashrafi announced that Pakistan would observe Palestine Day on Friday, the first day of Eid al-Fitr. Coronavirus in Pakistan vaccine registration for 30 to 39 age group to start from May 16th. The National Command and Operations Center on Wednesday announced it would open registration of the coronavirus vaccines for persons aged 30 years and above from Sunday, May 16th. No talks with India till August 5, decision reserved. Prime Minister Imran Khan on Tuesday stated that Pakistan would not resume talks with India till it restored the special status of the occupied Kashmir. Saudi Arabia to celebrate Eid tomorrow. Saudi Arabia to mark Eid al-Fitr on Thursday as the Shawwal moon was not sighted on Tuesday. Ramadan will last 30 days this year and Eid al-Fitr will fall on Thursday, May 13th. Eid al-Fitr to be celebrated across Europe on May 13th. The festival of breaking fast, Eid al-Fitr, will be celebrated across the European continent, including the United Kingdom on Thursday, May 13th, the Central Moon Sighting Committee UK announced on Wednesday. 8 more perish as Israel targets Gaza buildings. Israel's Benjamin vowed to intensify attacks on Gaza as Israeli airstrikes killed 8 Palestinians, while Hamas rocket attacks claimed lives of 2 Israeli women on Tuesday. The second day of intense escalation of tension sparked by unrest that claimed 30 lives so far with over 150 wounded. Students, teachers among 12 killed in Russia school shooting. At least 9 people, most of them children, were killed Tuesday when a lone teenage gunman opened fire at a school in the central Russian city of Kazan. Indian variant becomes global threat. The World Health Organization had announced that it reclassifying the highly contagious triple mutant COVID variant in India as a variant of concern, indicating that it's become a global health threat. 255 Afghan civilians killed during Ramadan. The Ministry of Interior Affairs said on Tuesday that 15 suicide attacks and dozens of other attacks have been carried out by the Taliban since the start of Ramadan on April 13th. US puts brake on UN Council statement over Gaza situation. The United States is delaying United Nations Security Council efforts to issue a public statement on escalating tensions between Israel and the Palestinians because it could be harmful to behind-the-scenes efforts to end the violence, according to diplomats and a source familiar with the US strategy. Taiwan warns on rising COVID-19 risk, share market tumbles. Taiwan may rise its COVID-19 alert level in the coming days, Health Minister said on Wednesday, warning of an extremely serious situation that sent the island stocks market tanking. This is end of today's international news. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.